Hey guys, Creep1 Slayer, and today I've got a really cool package. It's actually for my birthday, and you can show that if you want. That's what it looks like on the front, and it's really cool. It's a camcorder, and I'm going to open it up, and hopefully you guys will like it.
Now it's HD and also YouTube friendly, if you make YouTube.
Yeah, if you make YouTube videos, this is YouTube friendly.
Yeah.
So, just try to open it.
Yeah, no, pause it.
Huh?
Let me pause it for a second to help you.
Yeah, we had to open it, guys, so... Right. Let's read that a little bit. Okay. Oh, okay, there we go. There is... Ooh! That's awesome. 1080 video camera user manual. That's the preview of it. Awesome. And here's the case for it. And ooh, Puppy's curious. You can show Puppy if you want.
I did.
Hello, Pup. Right. Dun 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 dun. Right. Wow. That. She likes it. This is cool. I love it. It's IRFHD. Cool. And let's see. Oh, perfect. You can see that? Cool. Yeah, it's cool. It's got power on, and then it's got mode, and it's got menu, and up and down. So if you want to move it up and down, you can. And you can grip it like this. I've used one before, so you can grip it like that. Don't know what that's for down here, but
That's just sitting on a tripod.
Oh, it's a tripod. Oh yeah, that's right. But yeah, on the side it says DVC Digital Video Camera, and yeah, and it looks like there's the speaker there, so you can show the speaker up close if you want. So yeah, it's there. But yeah. Oh, it's got a cap. Is this a cap? Oh, it looks like a cap. Is that a cap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try to figure out how to do that cap. This looks like a pop. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. There you go. That's handy. It's neat, isn't it? You just pump it off. Wow. I bet the camera resolution is pretty awesome. Look at that, guys. Look. Look at camera resolution. Wow, that's going to be nice. And it has good grip to it. I mean, can't lie. And you can go however you want. Just pause it. Hey guys, here's the back of it right here. And it says mic, HD, and USB. And there's the record button there. So, and the light is right here. It looks pretty cool. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. And here's like a little extra thing here. Other little components. But, yeah, let me just show you the components. And also, the biggest thing about this recorder is you get a little remote with it if you want. You can use it, like if you're setting that on a table, you can use it that way. So that's going to be about it for this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, stay safe guys, and have a good day.